If you're creating a large document, such as a business report or a thesis, it could contain many abbreviations. If so, you may want to add a list of abbreviations in order to help your reader. But how does a list of abbreviations work, and how can you create one in Microsoft Word? You can, of course, create a list of abbreviations manually, going through your work, noting down each abbreviation, adding them to a list, and putting it at the start of your document. But let's be honest, who has time for that? There's got to be a quicker way. Let's find out. With our document open in Word, go to Edit, Find, Advanced Find and Replace. In the Find What box, type open square bracket A-Z, space 0-9, close square bracket, open curly bracket, 2, closed curly bracket. If this menu isn't already open, select the down arrow to indicate more, select Use Wildcards, and then finally highlight all items found in Main Document. Click Find All, close the Find and Replace box. With everything highlighted in Microsoft Word, Command Copy will copy everything to your clipboard, open up an Excel spreadsheet, paste in the copied list of abbreviations. We can use Data, Table Tools, Remove Duplicates. This will ensure that any duplicated records are removed. Then, we need to manually remove anything that Microsoft Word has identified as a capitalization, which isn't an acronym that we need to define in our list. Then we need to correct any errors, such as this one here. Microsoft Word has taken a group of abbreviations that were in a sentence in my document and put them as one singular record. So we type them out individually. Now, with our column of abbreviations organized, we can give it the title Abbreviation, and the column next to it can be titled Definition. The next step is to type in the definition for each of your abbreviations. Now you have your list of abbreviations and their definitions. Simply copy and paste this back into your Word document, and you can place this at the start of your document. That's it. Your abbreviations list has been generated, and now it can be used by any reader to guide them through your document. If you're still unsure, check out our other resources linked in the description. And as always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments. You're writing proof.